guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing an easy and delicious milk bread recipe made with condensed milk. It's super soft, fluffy, and perfect for breakfast or as a snack. So let's dive right in. We'll start by adding 1 cup of warm milk to a bowl. Next, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, 1 egg, and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. We'll give it a good stir and let it sit for about 5 minutes until the yeast is activated. And not to worry if you don't have the condensed milk, you can make your own condensed milk at home. I have a video on my channel, so please do check it out. Now I'm going to go in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add in a teaspoon of salt. We'll go ahead to mix everything together until it forms a shaggy dough. Once the dough comes together, I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of soft batter. Then continue to mix. Now I'm going to transfer the dough onto a slightly floured surface and knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This recipe is a straightforward. You don't really need to do much, or you don't really need any special equipment. You can use your hand like I'm doing. It's super easy and tastes absolutely delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it. Alright, so once our dough has kneaded enough, I'm going to go ahead to transfer it into a grease bowl. I like using butter because I love the taste it gives to the bread, okay? So you can use any oil at all you have. Once that is done, we'll cover it with my kitchen towel, then let it sit for an hour until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, we'll punch it down gently and transfer it back to the work surface. Roll and flatten it down and shape it into a loaf or divide it into smaller rolls, okay, depending on the shape you are going for. So I'm going to divide my dough into 10 pieces. Then we'll place it into my prepared baking pan and continue with the second dough. Do the same process and let it proof for another 45 minutes until it doubles in size. 45 minutes later, our dough has doubled in size beautifully. I'll go ahead to brush the top with some egg wash, which will give us that beautiful golden color. Now we'll go ahead to pop it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it is nice and golden brown. And guys, 30 minutes later, our bread is baked beautifully and it tastes so amazing in here. With the glaze, I have a tablespoon of melted butter and a tablespoon of condensed milk. We'll go ahead to mix everything together, then brush it over the top for extra softness and flavor. And there you have it, guys. Soft, fluffy, and delicious milk bread with a touch of sweetness from the condensed milk. It smells amazing and tastes even better. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my new recipes. And until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!